Hey guys, what we're going to do today is show you how to install a second Danco in your 50-gallon tank. The first thing we're going to do is take this small lid off, set it to the side, take your filter box out. We're going to take this pump off the old Danco here, get it out of the way, pull your line through. Next thing we're going to do is take off this standpipe here. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Get it out of the way. Now we're ready to drill our hole for the new Danco. Let's go over here to this other tank I've already got pre-drilled. You can see here I've got an 1.25 inch hole drilled about 1.25 inches over from the strainer and 4.5 inches up. Once you get your hole drilled, you're going to take your Danco here, and the first thing you're going to do is stick it in, get it tightened up, just real good and hand tight. You're going to take your max air hose and you'll use a 1/4 inch bit on the side here, drill you a hole just to the left or right of your power cord hole. Once you get that hole drilled, you'll feed the max air hose through. You'll plug it up to your new Danco down here. Alright, the next step, you're going to take your new 110 volt pump and the supplied fittings here. We'll put it together kind of like this. You'll set it down in here underneath that Danco and you'll slide the PVC over the end of it. Now your new 110 pump is hooked up to the new Danco. You'll take your power cord and set it to the side. You'll just run it out the small hole in the back lid there. You're going to take your 12 volt pump, the supplied fittings, put it on here like so. You'll be supplied with a small piece of hose that's going to connect to your other Danco. Just slide it on there. Get down here and you'll squeeze it on your Danco. It's a little tough, so you may have to work with it for a minute. Once you get the 12 volt pump hooked back up, you'll take your power cord and run it underneath your standpipe here in the Danco just to keep it tucked out of the way. And you can run it underneath this other Danco. And out the side holes you already have drilled. Once you got that done, you'll put your standpipe back in. You just need to wiggle it on there till it sits all the way flush. You can take a screwdriver if you have to and stick it in behind there, kind of push it forward. Once you get that back on, put your filter box back in and should be ready to go. Thanks guys.